Today is one of the days in my live video. I'm getting ready for baby to come, as you can see. So today I'm going to go to the salon and do my hair, and the family is dropping me there. So let's do this today. It's going to be fun. I'm so happy that I'm going to do my hair. For a long time I haven't done my hair, and let's see how the hair come out. I'm not going to eat much, so I just made myself a cup of green tea to take along with me. And this is the green tea I got from the Army store. Takes so good. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a whole boss braid vlog. I am so glad I'm getting my hair done for the first time. I'm going to the shop to get my hair done. I am on my way to Betty Bella Braid. If you are in Michigan, Indiana, Chicago area, check her out. She also have a YouTube channel and Instagram. She's very popular on Instagram. The name is Betty Bella Braid. So come with me and let's get the boss braid. Look at how Lady Bella is braiding my hair. So nice and neat. She started by doing the boss braid, and it feels so good. It doesn't hurt at all. She is halfway done. Guys, look at the patterns. So neat and nice. Her handwork is very nice, and her shop is clean as well. I feel so relaxed here. I don't know about you guys, for letting somebody do your hair. It's so good and it doesn't hurt. I don't know whether I'm the only one. It feels so good when somebody is doing your hair. See how gorgeous the head is coming up to be. We are almost done. I'm so excited. Guys, wait till you see the finished product. This is so beautiful. I was so glad that we were almost done with the boss braid. When you come to Lady Bella's store, He treats you like a princess. At this point, we are getting the goddess part done. And I like the way she used the glue to get the curly part. It looks so nice and neat. If you like this video, please go ahead and share, subscribe, hit the like button. Guys, look at the details. The lines are neat and clean. The ends came out very well. That makes it the goddess boss braid. If you want to get your hair done or learn how to get a nice hair like this, please go ahead to Lady Bella's YouTube video or book your appointment to get this classic hairdo. When you visit the Betty Bella Braid Salon, she also has some growth oil, edge control, lipstick, hair bonnets, and many other things. She also have a website that you can buy from. She has wigs over there, so please visit the website and buy stuff from there. She has a very good, nice wigs there. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. As always, I love you guys. God bless you. Bye.